All right, I just got this new Crave dual guard for Samsung Galaxy S20 case, shockproof case. Just arrived. This is how it arrives for you, just so you know. Protected in a bubble wrap bag. Let's check it out and see what we got. There it is. The Crave case. I got mine in red. Premium protection from drops and scratches. Let's see what you get inside of here. I'm looking forward to this. Just got my Galaxy S20 phone 2 years later than everyone else. Alright, that's all I'm seeing so far. On the back here, it tells you some stuff about the case. And on the front, it shows you the case you're getting. Here we go. Look at that. Styrofoam protected. And there it is, man. Ooh, that feels good. That's a nice feeling case. Very sturdy. Kind of rubbery right here, which I like. Not too ridiculously strong, but strong enough. It's got all the button features on the side right here. You can see right inside of there. Maybe you can see inside of there. Not there they are. There's the button features. It's got the slot in the back for the cameras. A hole in the top there. And the stuff on the bottom that you're going to need to charge it and everything. But yeah, pretty cool. Just got this. Wanted to show you what I got. I got the Crave Protection Series case. They're protected from someone like me who drops their phone a lot. Alright, this is for the Galaxy S20 5G red. Check it out.